There's huge breaking news. The U.S. Supreme Court has just overturned Roe v. Wade, the tragic and wicked 1973 decision that imposed abortion on demand across the United States and led to the deaths of over 60 million innocent human babies. For decades, veteran pro-life activists have worked for this moment. Mothers who live with the unspeakable grief of having aborted their own children have prayed for this moment so that other children might be saved, so that other mothers might be spared the horror of aborting their own children. Everyone who believes that human rights are for all human beings, including helpless babies in the womb, can celebrate this historic and incredible victory and will remember this moment forever. It is finally here, an end to unlimited abortion through all 9 months of pregnancy in all 50 states. And for all of his flaws, former President Donald Trump deserves credit for this moment. Without the 3 justices he nominated to the Supreme Court, we would not be here today. There will no doubt be a ton of misinformation from the left-wing media in the coming days about what Roe v. Wade was, about what abortion is, and about what a post-Roe America will look like. But here are some very basic facts. Roe v. Wade and its sister case Doe v. Bolton allowed abortion through all 9 months of pregnancy in the U.S., with Roe establishing that abortions can't be restricted before fetal viability, which has of course been changing as the science of neonatology has advanced. Meanwhile, Doe v. Bolton established the extremely vague health of the mother, not life of the mother, but health of the mother, and that is interpreted very broadly as an exception to the viability rule. And so, thanks to this, the United States was, until today, one of the 7 countries on the planet to allow late-term abortion. This ruling, upholding the right of the Mississippi legislature to pass a ban on abortions after 15 weeks, means states can now determine their own abortion laws. Some red states have pro-life trigger laws that will go into effect shortly, banning all abortions. Other states have pre-Roe laws in the books banning abortion under certain circumstances, and it's unclear how they will be enforced. And of course, some blue states have laws very explicitly allowing abortion through all 9 months of pregnancy. And their legislatures have called for their left-wing states to be sanctuaries, if you can believe that, or havens for abortion in a post-Roe America. Coastal elites, of course, are furious that the Supreme Court's ruling today in Dobbs v. Jackson Women's Health Organization, even though abortion access in their liberal cities will largely go unchanged. They want pro-life states to be forced to allow baby killing. Every successful abortion ends the life of a whole, distinct, and living human being. Abortion is always wrong, no matter the circumstances of a baby's conception or any disabilities he or she may have. Every abortion is a gruesome and bloody procedure that kills an innocent and defenseless human baby via poisoning or starvation, suction, dismemberment, or induced heart attack. These are babies with their own DNA, heartbeats, organs, limbs, and most importantly, souls. Abortion is a human rights abuse with no place in any civilized society. Finally, America is beginning to turn a corner and cease allowing unfettered and unrestricted access to this monstrous act. But the work of the pro-life movement is far from over. The battle has moved from the Supreme Court to state legislatures. And of course, the cultural battle continues. Chastity needs to be emphasized because lack of chastity is what leads to abortion in the first place. And it needs to be easier for families to be able to survive on one income. The pro-life movement and its heroic pregnancy centers will continue to provide resources, help, love, and support to women facing unexpected pregnancies. And we will continue to welcome converts with open arms, and we will continue to be there to comfort the many women silently suffering with the trauma and grief of having had an abortion. There is much to be said about this incredible Supreme Court decision, much analysis to be done, much goal setting and regrouping, and work so that all abortion is completely abolished. LifeSiteNews will be publishing all of this crucial information for you. Today's ruling is only the beginning of the end of legal abortion in America. We have much work to do, but we should all say a hearty prayer of thanksgiving today, praising God for this life-saving ruling and thanking Him for the justices who issued it. This is a major cause for celebration. Many, many babies will be spared. All glory be to the Father, and to the Son, and to the Holy Ghost. For LifeSite News, I'm John-Henry Westen, and may God bless you.